Continue to model rows panel. Click on the rows. Click on the first point, second point, third point, and final point. Enter. Do the same. Click. Enter. And for the wall panels, keep the rectangular. Click the first point and click the second point. Enter. Again, click the first point, click the second point. Enter. Escape and take rectangular. Click first point, second, click, enter. In this stage, I recommend you model the rows and wall panel one by one. Do not copy it. Click, enter. Now complete rows and wall panel. Thank you for your watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you.